Just put the bag on the broom, and you'll never have this problem again. Guys, look at you who are a housewife, you who live alone, and every time you go to sweep your house, look what happens. Your broom is full of hair, especially if you have a dog or cat. This is really bad, isn't it? So now I'm going to give you a very simple and quick tip so that this never happens to you again. And for that, you will use this bag. And to do this, there is no secret, you will first receive a bag. It can be any type of bag to cover the broom with. So there, all you have to do is tie it really well. It's done, now you can sweep your house. Look at these guys, you can sweep normally. Pulls dirt very well. The main thing is that absolutely nothing will stick to your broom. This is a really useful tip. And if you have access to these caps here, if you don't have it, you can buy it at the pharmacy or the market. It's very cheap with this cap, it's even better, guys. You can also put it here on the broom. Look, it's going to stay like this here, besides not sticking hair and fur to your broom. It draws dust very well on this. Small dust, of course, which is very difficult to sweep away, and sometimes we spread everything out. So that's a pretty good tip with the cork. If you don't have a vacuum cleaner, look at this corner of my wall. These little corners are very difficult to dust, but when you put a cap on your broom, look how easy it pulls. Really good, guys. This is a very simple and quick tip that will definitely help you a lot at home. And look there, nothing is left behind. Look how cool it is. This is really good advice if you don't have a vacuum cleaner. Do it at home, it may look like a beast, but if you do the test at home, I'm sure it will make a big difference. As you clean your house, I hope you enjoyed today's tip. A big kiss, and stay with God.